won't believe these 8 self-defense gadgets available on Amazon. Not everyone has been trained like Frank Dukes to fight in the Kumite, and whether you're prepping for a zombie apocalypse, getting ready for Mortal Kombat, or just looking for a few items to protect yourself, you won't believe these 8 self-defense gadgets are available on Amazon. Number 8. The Barnett Whitetail Pro STR Crossbow for $599.99. While you may never find yourself volunteering as tribute for the Hunger Games, you can at least shoot like the Mockingjay at 400 feet per second with the Barnett Whitetail Pro Step-Through Riser Crossbow. This sweet lady comes camouflaged for maximum stealth, weighing in at only 6.9 pounds and generates an insane amount of knockout power with 140 pounds of kinetic energy. With the included multi-reticle scope, 3 Picatinny rails for additional attachments, and a pair of 22-inch headhunter arrows, you'll be catching fire in no time for only $599.99. Number 7. M48 Cyclone Fixed Blade Knife with custom Vortex sheath for $79.99. If you ever find yourself having the time of your life with that special someone while strolling through the city on a Saturday night, and some unsuspecting hooligan pulls out a knife while attempting to rob you, you can show him what a real knife looks like, in true Crocodile Dundee fashion, with the M48 Cyclone Fixed Blade Knife that comes included with a custom Vortex sheath. The M48 Cyclone has a wicked looking full tang stainless steel spiraling blade and solid hand guard with a piercing sharp point. The handle is made of glass fiber and reinforced nylon for maximum grip. The handle also has a stainless steel skull crusher pommel for those hard-headed would-be criminals. One look at this bad boy and even the crocodiles will want to run away, and you can have a crazy looking knife for only $79.99 on Amazon. Number 6. NC Star Guardian Backpack Quick Deploy with 2-level III-A soft armor for $362.98. Having the right backpack can be crucial to surviving the heavy workload that comes with getting an education. And whether you decide to attend a private school, a public school, or the School of Hard Knocks, the NC Star Quick Deploy Guardian Backpack comes with 2 10x12-inch level III-A soft armor ballistic plates that will keep the dogs from eating your homework and provide protection to resist pistol caliber threats, up to a 44 Magnum ammo cartridge. The NC Star Guardian Backpack has a magnetically sealed flap for quick deployment of the front carrier plate that can be buckled around the waist to protect the front torso when needed, while the other carrier plate remains stationary inside the backpack close to the rear torso to cover your 6. The guarding backpack has a nice compartment size of 17 by 12 by 4 inches in volume, 2 zippered outside pockets to store plenty of Twinkies, and 2 side pockets big enough to hold a few water bottles, making this a little nice bug out bag for the next zombie apocalypse. This bulletproof backpack is eligible for free shipping and is available for only $362.98 on Amazon. Number 5. Jainan Samurai Katana Japanese Full Tang Carbon Steel Sword for $179.99. Although you may never be able to convince Hattori Hanzo to come out of retirement to build a sword so you can embark on an international mission to kill Bill like the Black Mamba, Victrix Kiddo, the quality and craftsmanship of the Jainan Samurai Katana Full Tang Carbon Steel Sword will even have Ninja Turtles screaming out, "Cowabunga!" The Jainan Samurai Katana has been entirely crafted by hand and forged using traditional Japanese methods of annealing, tempering, and quenching. The razor-sharp blade of this katana is capable of easily slicing through paper and bamboo. Has even been hand-polished using 12 different ancient Japanese methods for the ultimate finish. Whether you're out to kill vermin or defend yourself from the likes of Bebop and Rocksteady, You can't go wrong with the Jainan Samurai Katana Japanese carbon steel sword, available for only $179.99 on Amazon. Number 4. Benjamin Bulldog BP-BD3S PCP Air Rifles, 357 cal multi-shot bolt action for $694.99. The next time you're at the mall and Santa Claus asks you what you want for the holidays, instead of being gun-shy like Ralphie from the Christmas Story and blurting out you want an official Red Ryder carbon action 200 shot range model air rifle at the last minute, make sure you walk up to Kris Kringle headstrong, look that jolly old St. Nick square in the eye and tell him you want an official Benjamin Bulldog 357 caliber multi-shot bolt action PCP air rifle. The Benjamin Bulldog 357 caliber PCP air rifle will propel 10 rounds of 357 caliber 147 grain lead pellets at a velocity of 910 feet per second with enough kinetic energy to shoot your eye out. The Benjamin Bulldog air rifle has been tried and tested on big game and proven effective to take down wild boar hogs and white-tailed deer, among other animals. While a specialized pump is required to supply the 3000 psi of air pressure needed to operate this insanely high-powered air rifle, you'll never have to worry about a lack of gun power when the SHTF. Add this with some Lyman casting molds and a lead melting device from Amazon, and this will be the perfect self-defense gadget for taking out those zombies. You can get this item with free shipping for $694.99 on Amazon. Just make sure you don't shoot your eye out, kid. Number 3. Mace brand self-defense pepper spray gun 2.0 for $36.72. Are you looking for some pepper to spice up your life? Instead of showing up at high noon to a ghost pepper challenge empty-handed, come prepared with the Mace branded self-defense pepper spray gun 2.0 that comes with an integrated dual mode LED strobe light to disorientate a would-be attacker while you open a can of everlasting mace. The pepper spray gun 2.0 will shoot several bursts of pepper spray streams up to 20 feet with great accuracy. This little baby also has a Picatinny rail to attach other items like a laser sight, for example. The spray gun is easy to reload with official Mace pepper gun cartridges and has a comfortable pistol grip for rapid deployment. The crazy thing about this red hot chili pepper is that it's so affordable. For less than it would cost to buy 4 bottles of ghost pepper sauce, you can have one of these for the low cost of $36.72 on Amazon. Number 2. Omega S120 Stun Baton for $99.95. While you may not be able to fly and teleport between the Earthrealm, the Outworld and the Netherrealm like Raiden, the next time you find yourself engaging in mortal combat, you can harness the power of electricity with the Omega S120 Stun Baton and have would-be attackers screaming out, "Don't tase me, bro!" The Omega S120 Stun Baton is the preferred choice of stun batons, used by many security firms, animal control and law enforcement agencies, along with private persons in general. This stun baton is 19 inches in length and runs on 2 9-volt batteries to generate 120,000 volts of electrifying current to even put a smile on the face of Dr. Frankenstein's monster. The Omega S120 Stun Baton is available for $99.95 with free shipping on Amazon. Number 1. Wasp Personal Defense Weapon Less Lethal High Impact Handgun Attachment for $99.99. Every once in a while, the good, the bad, and the ugly will have to shoot it out to protect a fistful of dollars, and whether you're Ramon aiming for the heart or a bounty hunter looking to make a few dollars more, at the end of the day, the good guy wins with a heart of gold. And if you want to show that you mean business with a little bit of compassion on the side, The Wasp personal defense weapon less lethal high impact handgun attachment is the perfect tool for the job. The Wasp personal defense weapon less lethal high impact handgun attachment installs on the barrel of a 9mm Glock to convert a firearm into a less lethal weapon on the first shot. While it's not a warning shot per se, it definitely will give a would-be assailant enough of an impact before you unload the lethal rounds to ask themselves the following questions. Do you feel lucky? Punk? Well, do ya? For a price of only $99.99 on Amazon, you can have the intimidation factor of Dirty Harry himself. These 8 crazy self-defense gadgets can all be found on Amazon, and with a fistful of dollars you can control the elements like Raiden, outshine any ghost pepper challenge, shoot your eye out, take on a black mamba, survive a zombie apocalypse, take on a crocodile, and rise as a champion of the 13 districts of Panem. Check out these items and more on Amazon, and by the end of the year, the inhabitants of the Earthrealm, the Outworld, and the Netherrealm will revere you as the Noxukao, 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 or just a plain old warrior.